Now that the first season of Extraordinary Attorney Woo has ended, there might be some scenes throughout the 16 episodes that we really didn't understand. Here are some unexplained things from Extraordinary Attorney Woo. The day Young-woo first speaks. Being one of the top dramas right now, people tend to share every bit about Extraordinary Attorney Woo, and one fan has pointed out a new analysis of one important scene. A Twitter user recently drew attention by posting an interesting theory about the drama during the first episode when Young-woo's father learned that his daughter has Asperger's syndrome, a type of autism spectrum disorder. Young-woo's condition was revealed on November 17th, 2000, and it was also the day Young-woo's father, Woo Kwang-ho, shed tears of happiness hearing his daughter speak for the first time. In the drama, Young-woo said to herself, "There comes a day for every parent when they ask themselves if their kids could be special. For my father, that day was November 17th, 2000, the day he found out that his daughter was an autistic genius. This happened when her father got into an argument with his neighbor, and Young-woo suddenly speaks up and recites the criminal law. Since Young-woo's father also graduated law and was currently reviewing for the bar exam at that time, Young-woo was able to read all her father's books and was able to memorize everything." Back to the date where Young-woo spoke, netizens pointed out the scene and explained, "In the language of flowers, the birth flower on November 17th symbolizes justice. In fact, colt's foot is the birth flower on November 17th and it symbolizes justice." Nothing has been officially confirmed by the creators of the drama about the connection of the date November 17th and the meaning of the birth flower, but fans and netizens were truly amazed by this coincidence. The feud of the CEOs. Ever wonder when or how these two successful women started their feud? Well, an unaired video of Extraordinary Attorney Woo has been released to help the viewers understand their story more. On July 22nd, a video titled "Hanbada vs. Tae-san: Big Hands That Moved the War" was published. The video started with Hanbada's law firm CEO Han Sun-young having a meeting with a major client in the lobby of a hotel. Then, one of Sun-young's staff reportedly saw the vice president of the Jin-young group, who had a meeting with the former CEO of Tae-san law firm, Tae Su-mi. Sun-young had a quick conversation with the vice president and found out Jin-young group is planning to hand over their business agreement with Tae-san law firm instead of Hanbada. Despite winning their previous case, Jin-young's group decision to change to Tae-san's law firm was all because of the news that Tae Su-mi would soon be appointed as the Minister of Justice. Han Sun-young got angry, so she went to Tae Su-mi and said, "You must be appointed as Minister of Justice, aren't you? Even before you are confirmed to work for the government, you're already doing business as if you are the Minister of Justice," giving a sharp greeting. Sun-young then added, "What will happen if you don't get the position? You're not committing fraud, right?" In response, Tae Su-mi calmly said, "What business? You should have done it well. Don't let it come to me." Han Sun-young said, "Be careful. It takes a moment for a person to fall apart. You're not a perfect person after all," provoking Tae Su-mi. She then responded, "What flaw do I have? Stealing Hanbada's client or taking away your man and making him my husband? I'm sorry, but that's all the past." The two revealed a part of their past stories with Tae Su-mi mentioning Sun-young used to date Sumi's current husband. Sun-young then said, "I'm not talking about things you did with your true self. It's about the mistake you made with an unusual decision, unlike how Tae Su-mi would do. Pure love during college days? The fruit of that love, don't you remember? Be careful." In response, Tae Su-mi just made an ambiguous expression. Now that we got to know a background about their past, what else could happen with these two in the upcoming season 2 of the drama? Mr. Salt, Mrs. Pepper, and Attorney Soy Sauce. On August 4th, an article was posted online titled, "The title of Extraordinary Attorney Woo episode today is crazy. There is a reason to put salt and pepper in it," which then became a hot topic. The article was referring to episodes 11 titled Mr. Salt, Mrs. Pepper, and Attorney Soy Sauce, which aired on August 3rd. The writer of the post interpreted it as, "It's because the husband was having an affair." It is said that having an affair is a wordplay creating using the salty expression of salt and the expression of eating pepper on food. In this regard, the production company gave their statement and explained, "We have no intention to do such a wordplay." However, fans agreed with the interpretation as they exclaimed, "Wow, there were so many wordplays in this episode." In fact, many wordplays were pointed out in the 11th episode, such as, the thread and the needle were fighting and the thread was taken to the police station because the needle sewed the thread. 8 vowels, 11 consonants, an exclamation mark, and a comma appeared in court today because they are due to be sentenced next week. Despite the creators not having the intention to put a connection with the title and story plot of the episodes, it seems like this is another coincidence that fans were able to discover. It gave a new fun meaning to the drama. Significance of whales. Ever since the first episode, the drama has shown Attorney Woo's love for whales and other similar sea mammal creatures. With the popularity of the drama, many netizens have taken an interest in the significance of the whales that appear. One YouTuber explained, "Woo Young-woo liking whales must be like how children children love dinosaurs. The reason children like dinosaurs is that they are strong and big. It also reflects their desire to be big and strong like dinosaurs. Woo Young-woo likes whales for the same reason. So, in Woo Young-woo's case, she may love whales for the same reason. The YouTuber went on to show the parallels between a whale's lonely existence in the vast ocean and Attorney Woo's existence in a neurotypical society, where she talks about her past while going through difficulties and having limitations because of her condition. He then stated, "However, whales are not limited and can freely swim in the vast ocean. Therefore, Woo Young-woo takes a special liking for whales as they are able to freely swim in the ocean without any limitations. Young-woo may be fond of whales because they're not limited and can freely swim in the ocean." The whale can also be seen as Woo Young-woo as she tries to navigate life on her own, freely and safely swimming into society with the protection she's been receiving from Hanbara. Hanbara's literal translation is one ocean, Han meaning it's a lot or big, and Bara as ocean. Aside from that, during the press conference for Extraordinary Attorney Woo last July 26, director Yoo In-sik and writer Moon Ji-won were present and shared their process of writing and producing the drama. When asked about the reason whales appear in the drama, writer Moon Ji-won shared, "Director Yoo In-sik joined the team when I wrote up to about 8 episodes, and he mentioned that it would be nice to have a device that can be used to visualize Woo Young-woo's inner thoughts." He further explained, "People who are on the autism spectrum often get deeply immersed in a specific subject and have expert knowledge on it, so I deliberated for a long time over several subjects." Writer Ji-won then explained why he chooses whales by stating, "The most popular cases are dinosaurs, trains, weather, and cars, but the reason I chose whales over the other subjects is because they look cool. I thought whales would visually enrich the mise-en-scene." He then started searching more about whales and clips to insert for Young-woo's aha moments, since whales appear whenever Young-woo discovers something or finds enlightenment. A mother's smile. In the last episode of Extraordinary Attorney Woo, Kwon Min-woo visited Tae Su-mi. Prior to their meeting, Tae Su-mi offered Min-woo a job in Taesan if he can make Woo Young-woo quit Hanbara. During their meeting in the last episode, Min-woo explained the situation Young-woo was facing and said, "Now would be the right time to make Attorney Woo quit Hanbara." While he was explaining Young-woo's current situation, he revealed that Young-woo recently broke up with her boyfriend Junho. Surprised by the news, Tae Su-mi asked back, "Office romance? Attorney Woo Young-woo dated someone?" Seems like she thought that it would not be easy for her daughter to date someone given her condition of autism spectrum disorder. But later, Tae Su-mi raised the corner of her mouth, something like a quick smirk, and said, "Oh, I see," and smiled proudly. The scene only lasts for a few seconds, but it was the moment Tae Su-mi showed her motherly side for Woo Young-woo. Seeing Tae Su-mi showing her expression of a real mother, internet users responded, "I hope to see her and Woo Young-woo in a good daughter and mother relationship." Impressed by actress Jin Kyung's acting skills, other viewers commented, "The scene might have looked so funny, but her facial expression was amazing. Her expressions say everything." Now that these things are explained, we all get to understand the drama more and appreciate how the creators put in so much effort for the show. What are your thoughts about the drama? Let us know in the comments. Hope you guys liked the video. Bye!